What do you think, Hannah?
Good, Dad.
Yeah? Good cookie?
Yeah.
Look at that tea.
That's like the air cookie.
Like a what cookie?
Like an air cookie.
An air cookie?
No.
Ariel.
Ariel cookie?
Yeah.
Goes on your lap.
Good. Try your tea, Hannah. You afraid of it? What do you think?
Lemonade. That's
Good. Good tea? Right.
Uh-oh, I spilled my tea.
Oh, no.
I got more tea.
I wonder where she gets that from.
We'll see if she picks it up and drinks it out of the tea decanter. Then we'll definitely know where it came from.
All right. More tea. Look over here, guys.
Teapot song.
Oh, teapot song? You know that, Hannah.